Welcome to this DelphStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to disable AI features in Google Chrome and return to a more traditional browsing experience. First, open Google Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, and select Settings. If AI and features are enabled, you will see an option called AI Innovation in the Settings menu. Click on it and toggle the feature off. Another way to disable AI features is through a new tab. Open a new tab in Chrome and click on Search Labs, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down until you find AI in Search, then click on it and toggle the option off. By turning off these AI-related features in both Chrome settings and Search Labs, your browser will return to a simpler and more traditional browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelphStack tutorial videos.